Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to insert current date and time. Here we are going to insert date and time. So for that we will type date and time. In this date column, we are going to insert current date. So for that we will use date function equals to today, open brackets and close brackets and press enter. Current date will appear in your Excel sheet. In this column, we are inserting today date with current time. Equals to, now open brackets and close brackets and press enter. Current date and time will appear in your Excel sheet. How to insert only time? For that we will not going to use any function. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. It will appear current time. If you don't want date and time, I need only time with seconds. Yes, we can. For that, go to date and time column. Right click, go to format cells and select time. Here, we can see lots of time formats. We will select here which is appear with seconds. For that we will select first format. Press OK. So we got the current time with seconds. This date and time functions are automatically changed. Whenever close the Excel and open again, it will appears current time and date. You can see here, I am double clicking the cells. Seconds are automatically changing based on current time. This is how we need insert current date and time in Excel. Okay guys, see you on another video. Until then, bye from MR. Thanks for watching.